Hello traders, the title of the video is how to polish Fibonacci extension trading strategies like a pro. What is your Fibonacci extension trading strategy? If you have one, let us know in the comment section so we may look at it and see whether there is something we can do to polish, all right, your Fibonacci extension trading strategy, or if we can learn something from your own Fibonacci extension trading strategy. In this tutorial, I will share with you 3 tactics that you can use to start polishing your Fibonacci extension trading strategies. Very often in an uptrend, when a financial instrument is rising, commonly traders will try to sell in the vicinity of the Fibonacci extension level, and they will also try to take profits around those Fibonacci extension level. So we are using them to set a profit target, all right, and also to identify the overbought levels in an uptrend, and we use them to identify the oversold zone in a downtrend. This is commonly how traders use a Fibonacci extension level. Right? But to begin to polish a Fibonacci extension trading strategy, all right, the first thing that you can look for, so now if you see on my chart here, I'm on the monthly chart. Traders say, oh Joe, you always like the monthly chart. So this is about my trading style. So you do not have to like or accept my trading style. And all I will say to you, it is my trading style. But you get a message, all right? So price went up from the first orange spot to the second one here. All right? And then it pulls back. And then it starts going up. Okay, breaks above this high, start going up. Now we apply Fibonacci extension to this price move, yes or no? If you look carefully on my chart, the green line here, the green horizontal line, that's the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. Put another one at 161.8% level. Right there. Which color should I use? I'll use orange now. That's the orange line right there. So the green, the orange, all right. Now we have another Fibonacci extension level at the 200% level. We talked about this recent video. This Fibonacci Trader explained the 200% Fibonacci extension level at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Put a turquoise line. Can you see the turquoise? That's the line there. That's the 200% level. And then we have the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level on the monthly chart right there. Though to traders, I'm using, I'll put this one in red. Though I'm using a monthly chart, we can apply what we are about to discuss on any time frame, all right? Even on the 5-minute time frame, you can apply what we are about to discuss. So to begin to polish your Fibonacci extension trading strategy, what you can do, because if the price is going up, what is the price trying to do? The price is trying to break resistance. Bullish stock will break resistance consistently. Bearish stock will break support consistently until it reaches a valid support level. Yes or no? So because the market sentiment is bullish and is going up, and we set Fibonacci extension level, though we know that other traders may try to buy also. May try to sell at a specific Fibonacci extension level. I'm not saying that it's wrong. Sometimes we will see a clear-cut sell setup. I will talk about it in a minute. Because the financial instrument is going up, all right, we want to look for break a bull and retest. A bull, a Fibonacci extension level. This one here recently happened here. See the 138.2% level, that critical resistance level, price breaks above the prior high, the next resistance level is 138.2% level. Price break below a key support level, the next critical support level is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. So here it is. Instead of just ganging to sell in an uptrend, which sometimes we do, all right, if we have a valid reason to do so, to begin to polish our Fibonacci extension trading strategy, look for in an uptrend, look for break above a key Fibonacci extension level and retest. Now, swing trader, this is a nice one here because you see the tail of that candlestick. The price went down all the way here, only to close. You have to understand, it carefully closed above that 138.2% level. They want it, the professional want it to close above it. That's why they allow you to close above it. You see, candlestick bar, this is, we talk about the candlestick pattern, the pin piercing through a key level. Now we have the pin, the long tail, piercing through the 138.2% level. This is a bullish candlestick pattern. Now, as a swing trader, we can apply a top-down trading method to buy this stock. If there is a signal, if there is no signal, we will not invent it, we will not just buy. If you want to day trade, we can do exactly the same thing. So you see on the monthly chart, I talked about it before, we can break it down all the way to the 10-minute time frame, monthly chart, daily chart, hourly time frame, and then 10-minute time frame to enter the trade. Okay, so you see now, here it is, breakable, retest, a Fibonacci extension level in an uptrend. Break below, retest, a Fibonacci extension level in a downtrend. Will that help your Fibonacci trading strategy? Will that allow you to start polishing your Fibonacci extension trading method? So this is one example here. So this is the first thing I want to share with you that can help you to start polishing your Fibonacci extension trading strategies like a pro. The second thing that I want to share with you in this video, we are looking for confirmation. What is that? Joe, you are using a difficult word. Oh, Joe, your English is improving. All right. I'm going to learn a little bit more about my, start using my Indian accent soon. So I have some Indian friends, they have to help me in that, okay? So the confirmation is the trading setup that are occurring at a Fibonacci extension level. So that's the best approach, in fact, because, so suppose you want to sell, look for confirmation, you want to sell or buy at the Fibonacci extension level. Look for confirmation. Look for valid trading setup. There's a beautiful one here, a double top. At which level? 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. We know that valid breakout very often occur at 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. Yes or no? So now, why, in the name of God, where we are expecting a breakout, we have a bearish chart pattern? It's a contradiction, it's a paradox, it's a contrast. Something is not right here. So we will be happy to take part into this bearish trade here, double top. Common center line is kaput. You see here, it's kaput, it break below it. Now this one, try to retest it here. We implement a top-down trading method to sell it down. This is exactly what has happened here. So this is a confirmation at a Fibonacci extension level. The question is, are we going to have another confirmation in the same zone? So because the price is in the same zone now, how do we handle that? Okay, so because there was seller here, we just draw a line there, you see, $121.77. You don't want to assume that definitely we're going to have another confirmation or a triple top here. Or we will say, well, if you find a resistance below 121.77, prior to bearish signal, if you find a support above 121.77, prior to bullish signal above it. That's how we'll handle it this time here. Or if the common center line here is kaput, break below, as it did here, similar to the scenario, gently, okay? All right, but don't forget, repeat, don't forget this higher low here. Don't forget that, okay? Because it's changing a bit here. So don't forget that trend line there. It may pull back gently to retest it here. You are selling, be aware of that trend line. Okay, so you get a message now, okay? So Second thing that we can use to polish our Fibonacci extension trading strategy, look for confirmation. You want to buy at a Fibonacci extension level, look for confirmation. Can be a double bottom, can be divergence, can be something else. And then in all cases, this is why we say, have a good reason why you should sell. Here we have a good reason because the price failed to form a new high and the common center is kaput. Now it's finding a resistance below the common center line. We have a good reason with this. The good reason is the trading setup, all right? Now we will wait for a signal. Is there a signal? Implement different time frame trading method. Take it down like a pro. All right? Confirmation. All right? Another thing that we can use to polish our Fibonacci extension trading strategy is to draw the median line between two Fibonacci extension levels. So say to me, George, you are inventing things. Yes, be creative, my friend. Be very, very creative because the market is now very, very sophisticated. With the computers, anything is possible. Anytime you see two Fibonacci extension level, if you don't want to draw it, just be aware that decisions are made near the median line. So you see the 161.8% and the 138.2%. I want to put the median line there. So which color should I? I'm running out of option now. I'll use red, all right? So pay attention to the red horizontal line. That's the median line between two Fibonacci extension level. We can trade also, we can look for trading setup in the vicinity of the median line between two Fibonacci extension level. So what has happened here, you can see here, what the price did. You see here, he break below that median line. Look, boom. It came back to retest it right there. And pull back, you see, people sold it here. See that candlestick bar is telling that there are sellers there. Look what he did again. He breaks above that median line of two Fibonacci extension level, the red line. And again, look at that. This is beautiful. Look at that candlestick. The long tail piercing through the median line. Look at that. These are professional because those are candlestick pattern traders. If you are looking for a leading signal, use candlestick pattern. They are powerful leading, okay, to leading technical indicators. Here it is, professional, implement a top-down trading method at the high, the low, and the median line of that candlestick bar with a long tail. We talk about it at the Pro Trader or to 2-4 Stock Trader channel. Here it is going up. Okay. Sometime, my friend, there's one more here I want you to show because to show you now. One more, my friend. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't let anybody disturb you. Stay focused because today you want to start polishing your Fibonacci, your Fibonacci extension trading strategies. Stay with me, please. Stay with me, please. Don't go away. Please don't go. All right, now. Okay, so this one more. See the level of the 200% Fibonacci extension level. That's the turquoise line here, and this is the orange line here, 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. If you want to get it right, exactly the median line, you can use Fibonacci retracement between the two lines, and then you highlight the 50% level if you want to get it right. But just understand that we want to draw the median line. So that's it. So I use Fibonacci retracement to highlight the 50%. That's the median line between the, have I done it correctly? No, I don't think so. Between the 200% and the 161.8% level. Okay, here we are. That's the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which is the median line between the 200% and the 161.8% level. So I will color it now into red again. You see? All right, so the first time you see this one here, the reason why you see price came quite close to the median line between the 161.8% and the 200% level. Do you agree that it came quite close? Yes. Now this is what we are heading to. Will it find a support above the 12177 and continue to go up, or will it find a resistance at 12699, which is the median line between the 200% and the 161.8%? So those are the three things that you can start doing with your own Fibonacci extension trading strategy, and you will begin to polish, to improve, to amend, all right, which word can we use again, all right, to enhance, all right, your Fibonacci extension trading strategies like a pro. All right. So the first thing that we were talking about is that we are looking for breakable retest in an uptrend, price breaking above a key Fibonacci extension level, retesting it. Then we implement a top-down trading method in an uptrend, or price break below a Fibonacci key level in a downtrend. If find a resistance, we implement a top-down trading method. That's the first thing, to start polishing our Fibonacci extension trading strategy. The second one is to look for confirmation, look for valid trading setup in the vicinity of those Fibonacci extension levels. The third thing that we were talking about is to use the median line between two Fibonacci extension levels. Again, we are looking for trading setup in the vicinity of the median line between the two Fibonacci extension levels. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. I read all the comments. Recently, a trader said, George, you sound very, very tired, which was true. That day I was recording a video. I was very, very tired, and I was doing a lot of blah, blah, blah. And trader mentioned that was a fair comment, all right? So we welcome all the comments. I read them all. Don't think that I do not read them. I read them all. And so if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Now, if you truly like this video, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless, disgusting, okay, a video, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. But if you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it with your friends on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Google+. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about how to polish Fibonacci extension trading strategies like a pro. Keep polishing it. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.